This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Cheri Mulhare. Built in 2018, this sweet ranch at 2912 Browns Drive is ready for you to make your move to home ownership. One-story living with 3 nice size rooms and 2 bathrooms. The open floor plan gives you plenty of space in the kitchen and family room. The kitchen has plenty of counter, storage cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Extend your living space outside, there is almost a half acre to enjoy. Bring a rocker for the front porch. For more information, review the details below or contact Cheri Mulhare at 757-719-4112.